Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite pocket loss problem. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Epic Games, click on Unreal Engine and select settings. You just need to scroll down to the bottom, expand the Fortnite and select additional command line arguments. You just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy and paste it. After pasting it, just close it off here and just minimize it. And now you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and you can either change this to 8888 and 8844. This is Google DNS, but what I found that works best for me is 1111 and 1001. And after typing it, select OK. Close it off here. Now you just need to open the Fortnite and test which DNS works better for you. And after doing this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it one by one and paste it. After finishing this, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this PowerShell command, copy and paste it and press enter. After doing this, close it off here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type power option. Comes up edit power plan, click on open it. Select power options. In here you just need to select ultimate performance guys. After doing this, close it off here. And now you just need to open the Fortnite and there is no more pocket loss guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.